Hey everyone, welcome back to Investing Talk Podcast. And today we're going to be taking a look at Microvast Holdings, ticker symbol MVST. This company has been kind of making waves in the market lately, and they're posting some pretty big losses. But at the same time, their stock is just like soaring, like a rocket
Yeah.
with a sputtering engine, but it's still managing to climb higher and higher. So what's fueling this unusual flight? That's what we're going to unpack today.
Well, what's so fascinating about this is that it's not just market trends we're talking about. They've actually achieved a really significant breakthrough with their technology, true all-solid-state battery, or what's known as ASSB technology. And this puts them right in the heart of this booming electric vehicle and sustainable energy market.
This ASSB tech that you're talking about, everybody's kind of buzzing about it. What makes it so revolutionary?
Well, it's a potential game changer because they've managed to eliminate liquid electrolytes, which is a common component in traditional batteries. So this results in a safer and more efficient battery, and that has huge implications.
So you're saying this could be a major leap forward in battery tech, not just like a small improvement.
Absolutely. And it's not just about electric vehicles. Microvast's CEO, Yang Wu, he sees this technology really revolutionizing other industries too, like data centers and robotics. They're really confident that they've overcome some of the biggest obstacles that have held back this widespread adoption of this ASSB technology.
And it seems like the market is really buying into this vision too. Their stock jumped over 40% in pre-market trading on January 10th when they announced these advancements. That's a massive surge.
It certainly is. It pushed their stock to a 52-week high of $2.86. What's even more remarkable, though, is the stock's performance over the past 6 months. It's seen a 345% increase.
That's incredible growth. But here's the thing. We see this incredible stock performance, this groundbreaking technology, and yet the company is still reporting losses. Their most recent report showed a net loss of $114.56 million. So how do we reconcile this with the positive market response?
Well, it's a bit of a paradox, isn't it? They are experiencing losses, but at the same time, their revenue is growing at an impressive rate. They reported a 39% increase in revenue over the last year, reaching $371 million.
So it seems like they're investing pretty heavily in growth, right? They're building that foundation for future profitability. It's like they're laying the groundwork for a massive launch.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. And analysts seem to agree. They're forecasting earnings per share, or EPS, to reach 0.01 for the upcoming year. It's a small profit, but it signals a potential turning point.
All right, so for our listeners who might be looking at their portfolios right now, let's break down some of those key numbers for Microvast. The current price is $2.35 per share, with a market cap of $757 million. They have a trailing 12-month revenue of $370.99 million. But as we mentioned, they are still operating at a net loss of $114.56 million. That translates to an EPS of negative 0.36.
However, the analyst price target is currently set at $3.33. That's a potential increase of 42% from the current price. So there's definitely a lot of optimism surrounding the company's future.
Okay, so we've got this exciting new battery tech, impressive revenue growth, and a stock that's been on an upward trajectory. But we also have these financial losses that need to be addressed. So what's the bigger market picture here? How do these factors play into the current market conditions?
Well, it's important to acknowledge that the broader market has been experiencing a rally. The Federal Reserve's recent interest rate cuts have created a generally bullish sentiment, and this rising tide has kind of lifted a lot of boats, including Microvast.
So they're benefiting from a pretty favorable market environment. But there's more to it than just that, right?
Exactly. There's a strong and growing investor interest in the electric vehicle and sustainable energy sectors. And Microvast, with its innovative ASSB technology, perfectly aligns with this trend.
So they're not just riding the wave. They're actually positioned to be a major player in this burgeoning market.
Precisely. But let's take a closer look at some technical indicators and see what they tell us about Microvast's current trajectory.
Sounds good. What are we looking at here?
Well, January 10th, we saw a huge surge in trading volume, like 76 million shares changing hands. That's more than double their average daily volume.
Wow. That certainly indicates a lot of activity and interest. What else are you seeing?
Well, let's look at the 50-day moving average. It currently stands at $1.08, while the 200-day moving average is at 56 cents. The fact that the current price is well above both of these moving averages points to a strong bullish trend.
So far, we're seeing a lot of green lights for Microvast.
Yeah.
What about the RSI? What's that telling us?
Well, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is currently at 53.66. This indicates that the stock is in a neutral zone, meaning it's neither overbought nor oversold. Basically, there's room for further growth without immediate concerns of a pullback.
That's encouraging news for potential investors. Anything else that we should be paying attention to?
Well, the moving average convergence divergence, or MSED, is currently at 0.34, and this is generally considered a buy signal, as it suggests positive momentum.
Okay, so we've got bullish moving averages, a neutral RSI, and a MACD that's flashing a buy signal. It's starting to feel like Microvast is building some serious momentum here.
It's certainly an intriguing story that's unfolding, but before we get carried away with all this excitement, it's important to step back and consider the bigger picture. What are the opportunities and risks associated with investing in Microvast?
That's a crucial question. Let's explore that further. So let's dive into those opportunities and risks that you just mentioned. From your perspective, what are the biggest opportunities you see for Microvast?
Well, I think their innovative technology is a big one. This ASSB tech, it has the potential to disrupt, numerous industries. And Microvast is right at the forefront of this potential revolution. It's like they're holding this winning lottery ticket.
But they haven't cashed it in just yet.
Exactly. And that brings us to another key opportunity, the booming market they're in. The demand for this advanced battery technology is only going to increase as that electric vehicle market continues its rapid expansion.
They're in the right market at the right time with the right product. That's a powerful combination.
Indeed. And we can't overlook the positive market sentiment surrounding Microvast. Investors are clearly enthusiastic about their potential, and that's reflected in the recent stock performance we've already discussed.
So a lot of reasons to be optimistic. But we also need to balance that optimism with a clear understanding of the risks involved. What are some of those red flags that potential investors should be aware of?
Well, the most obvious one is their financial losses. They're still burning through cash. And while there are those projections for profitability, it's unclear when they'll actually achieve it. Even with that projected EPS of 0.01 next year, that's still a very thin margin.
So profitability is a significant concern. What else should investors consider?
Well, market volatility is another factor. We've seen the stock price fluctuate significantly. There's no guarantee that this upward trend will continue. The electric vehicle sector, while promising, is also highly competitive, and things can change rapidly.
So even with a technological advantage, there's no guarantee of success.
Right. And we can't forget the competition. Microvast is up against some established battery manufacturers with, extensive resources and experience, as well as, other ambitious startups that are vying for market share. So investors need to be aware of that competitive landscape.
It sounds like investing in Microvast comes with a significant degree of risk. What does this all mean for our listeners who might be considering adding MVST to their portfolio?
It ultimately boils down to, individual risk tolerance and investment goals. Microvast presents that classic high-risk, high-reward scenario. If their technology takes off and they capture a significant market share, the returns could be substantial. However, there's also the potential for significant losses if they fail to overcome those challenges they face.
So it's a decision that requires careful consideration and a realistic assessment of the potential upside and downside.
Absolutely. Investors need to do their due diligence, thoroughly research the company, weigh the pros and cons, and decide if Microvast aligns with their overall investment strategy.
And I think it's always worth reiterating, a fundamental principle of investing. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is especially crucial in a volatile market like the one that we're seeing today.
I completely agree. That's a piece of advice that every investor should keep in mind. One final thought I'd like to leave our listeners with is the importance of staying informed. The battery technology landscape is constantly evolving. New players are emerging. Existing companies are making advancements. It's not a static market.
So don't just buy a stock and forget about it. Continuous research and monitoring are essential. Keep up with that industry news track Microvast's progress, and be prepared to adjust your investment strategy as needed based on new information and developments.
Exactly. That's a key to successful investing, particularly in a dynamic and rapidly evolving field like battery technology.
Well, I think we've covered a lot of ground today. We've explored Microvast holdings, their impressive technological breakthroughs, their strong revenue growth, and the general positive sentiment surrounding the company. We've also taken a close look at the challenges they face, Ongoing financial losses, intense competition, and that inherent volatility of the market, it's a complex and evolving story, and it'll be fascinating to see what the next chapter holds. What are your thoughts on Microvast Holdings? Do you think they have what it takes to succeed in the long run? We'd love to hear your perspectives. We encourage you to share your thoughts down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions on companies just like Microvast Holdings. Investing in these innovative companies, can be a really exciting journey, and we're here to help you navigate those waters. Also, don't forget to share this episode with anyone who might be interested in the future of battery technology and that whole electric vehicle revolution. We'd love to keep this conversation going.
Yeah, for sure. As we discussed today, Microvast Holdings is definitely a company with a lot of potential, operating in, this dynamic and rapidly growing market. But as with any investment, it's crucial to weigh those potential rewards against the risks. Like we talked about their solid state battery technology, it could be a game changer, but they still need to demonstrate that clear path to profitability and navigate, that very competitive landscape. The future of Microvast is still being written. It's a story worth following for sure.
Absolutely. And, we always emphasize the importance of doing your own research, staying informed, and making those investment decisions that align with your own personal financial goals and risk tolerance. Thanks for joining us on Investing Talk Podcast today, and we look forward to diving into more exciting investment opportunities with you next time.